Hello guys, 2009 Toyota Prius. So today I will show you how you can replace the halogen bulbs in the cabin, which is like orange conventional color, to look like white LED color. So let's do it. So in the first step, so I bought this kit off AliExpress and it's compatible with this car. The good thing is they will send you the kit with all the lights marking. For example, this is the front dome light, and I will be doing the whole conversion, the rear dome light, so that makes the job really easy. So first I will replace the front dome light, and in order to do that, use this prying tool that they send with the kit. Put it in here and here, so that will release this glass piece. Now as you can see, this is the old bulb and this one I have already replaced. So in order to do that, just pull it out, don't twist it. If you twist it, this black covering will fall inside, then you will have to open this whole casing to fix that. Okay, so just hold it, take it out like this. Now take your LED bulb and just slide it inside. Sometimes you may have to adjust the polarity. It's working, this is working, nice. Now the third one. Just like that. So all three are now converted to LED. Now to place the glass thing back, first you should clean it because it will have your fingerprints on it. So see, these are three tabs over here and the three tabs on the other side. So just align the three tabs, it's not a big deal. You start from the top, just push them in, and it's all done. So we have converted this into LED. Okay, so now we will do the rear side. As you can see, it's the old style halogen bulb inside, and we will convert this into LED. Now again, in order to remove this plastic cover, use your prying tool that comes with the kit. And the glass covering will be removed. Open this little tab. So it's like this, you have to open this tab and the bulb will fall down. Now you take the rear dome light bulb out and you just simply place this rear dome bulb inside. Simply place the rear bulb inside with the LEDs facing down, and this is also done. Just align the glass and simply press it inside, and your light has been converted to LED. Now replacing the vanity mirror light. As you can see, it's a halogen. Again, put the switch in the off position, and with the help of prying tool, remove the glass. If this prying tool doesn't work, use a small flathead screwdriver. However, when you use a flathead screwdriver, make sure that you don't scratch the glass too much. So you need to be very careful here. Okay, so with the glass piece removed, again you have to take this light out. Simply press the tab and the bulb will fall down. This bulb is out. Now take your LED bulb and simply put it inside. Again, make sure that it's facing, the LEDs are facing down. Okay, well, now with the LED bulb installed, give it a check. It's working. Put the glass cover back on. Give it another good check. It's working. So when you pry it out from these sides with the help of a flat screwdriver, you can take this clip out. Now this is a very different kind of mechanism. You cannot just take the bulb out like right away. You cannot just take the bulb out like that. Bulb is hiding inside, as you can see. So looks like you have to remove this glass covering somehow, and then you will be able to replace the bulb. So yeah, this plastic piece can come off easily, not a big deal. And then there is a bulb residing. So you can simply take the bulb out by pulling it outwards towards the right. And then you push the LED bulb in, put the connector back on, and you can see the light is working. You can simply now just let it go inside. And this has been changed into an LED, white color LED. Okay, so in order to take this back one out, pry from the left side, and then you cannot just simply take the glass out on this one. The whole thing will come out. Remove the connector. After you remove the connector, you have to take this glass cover out. There are looks like 4 tabs, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Okay, with the LED bulb installed, we installed the covering back. Now we just simply pop this in, do the testing, and it's working, and it's pretty bright, I can tell you. Okay, so now I will be replacing the 2 lights here, which are called the license plate lights, and looks like their only way to open and reach to that light is to remove this panel over here, this panel. So I'm gonna pry this panel and see what's inside. Okay, so I was able to take off this back panel, and looks like there are these blue clips all around. Some of them came off, but some of them were left over there. So okay, back to our main goal, which is to access this light, which is one over here and one over here. We will remove the connectors, take the bulbs out and replace it with the LEDs. So a tool like this comes very handy when you have to remove these connectors. So this portion is a little bit tricky because I had to use the pliers to turn this counterclockwise while I'm standing facing to the back of the car. I have to turn with the help of pliers counterclockwise and then take it out. So that's the bulb, original one, and we're gonna replace it with the license plate replacement of LED. Okay, so with the bulb replaced with the LED, and you put this connector back and turn it clockwise until you hear the click sound, and just put the connector back. Similarly this side, put the connector back. Before we put the back cover on, we'll do a test. Now that we have tested the bulbs are working fine, now we will put this panel back over here. It's just simply placing it and putting a little bit force so these blue things will go inside the trunk.